What's up, y'all? We're back with another look. Okay, get into the crimps, get into the color. So this unit is from my hairline. I will link my website down below. It is the 20-inch HD frontal unit, and I did add in a bundle for the Oreo color. Let me know if y'all want a video on that, because I will do that for y'all. Y'all already know I got y'all. So y'all already know we can go in there with the ball cap method. The shebang shaboom. Getting into it, you know, making her look real bald. And then we're gonna apply the unit. Y'all know how it go. I'm gonna just let y'all vibe out. Now I'm about to prep her skin before I lay the lace down. So I'm going to clean her forehead with 91% alcohol. And then I'm going to spray a skin guard on her skin, allow it to dry. And then I apply 4 layers of glue. Alright, now I'm about to get into crimping her hair. I did skip this part out because it is a long process. But if you guys want me to do a detailed video on how to get, you know, really good crimps, then I can do that for y'all. Just comment below and I'll do that for y'all. But we're going to finish crimping and then get into cutting the lace. Now I'm about to get into the baby hairs. I do 2 on each side. And then we're going to melt it back down, finish styling, and then come back to the baby hairs.
she love me. With her eyes, with her smile, with her belt, with her hands, with her money. I am the thesis of her prayers. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of the layers. Only one she love as much as me is Jesus Christ the Savior. I got a teacher, so I'm singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your grandma ain't my grandma. Mine's handmade, pan fried, sun dried, south side, and beat the devil by a landslide. Praying with her hands tied, president of my fan club, Santa. Something told me I should bring my
gotta move it slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you on my Sunday.
Alright, now I'm just doing my finishing touches. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm at 500 subscribers. Like, I thank y'all so much. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.